Higher instant electric water heater. Power on self-test. Heating indicator light. Splash-proof extended equipment life. Patented shock-proof technology. Safe as unplugged. Elk protect against earth leakage. Dual copper heating tube leads instantaneous to a new level. Thickened copper tanks can endure pressures of up to 100,000 times. Copper tank fast heating. AD-class antibacterial technology. Healthy water, healthy skin. Meet various water usage needs.